Papa here of Papa's Page. Today I'm going to show you how to make camp chili. The ingredients we have are pre-cooked sausage, ground cumin, chili powder, minced garlic, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of pinto beans, two cans of Rotel Dice Tomatoes, mild, two large onions, and 1 large bell pepper. I'm going to start off by cutting the onions up and put them in the pot. Next, I'll cut up the bell pepper. We'll take the seeds out and the core out. Dump them in the pot. Okay, we'll set the pot on the stove. And we'll open the 2 cans of tomato sauce. In goes the tomato sauce. I'll open the 2 cans of tomatoes and put those in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna light the burner. Turn it down as low as I think I can get it. And start just warming it up slowly and stir it. Sometimes you have to adjust what you see. And I think I'm going to add a third can of tomato sauce to it. I'm going to put the sausage in now. Going to put in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. One teaspoon of cumin. Almost forgot to add the garlic. Put in, that looks like about 2 teaspoons. Okay, it's been simmering at least an hour, and I've been stirring it every few minutes. The pot we used today was a 3-quart pot. And it's time to add the pinto beans now. I've opened the cans and drained some of the juice out of it. And we'll go ahead and add them and stir it in. And then we'll cook it for 10 to 15 more minutes. The camp chili should be done, so let's put some in a bowl and see what it tastes like. See if we can tip you down and show you what it looks like in the bowl. Yep, tastes like camp chili. Thank you for watching, and give me a big thumbs up if you like my videos, and please subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.